Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video you are going to learn how to take food orders online using forms and send confirmation messages on WhatsApp. So guys, first of all let me tell you what's happening here. When someone places an order on Jotform, he or she will receive a message of confirmation on their WhatsApp account, right? So guys, Jotform is a form building application in which you can create many types of forms like survey forms, order forms, etc. Now suppose that you run a food delivery business, and to take the orders you have created a Jotform and distributed it through various media. Now you start getting orders on your Jotform and you want to send the confirmation message of your orders to the customers on their WhatsApp account. So to do this you have two ways. One is to manually sort out the data of your customers for each and every order from Jotform, then manually compile a message for each and every order on WhatsApp. So guys, this process can be very repetitive and tiresome. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when an order is placed on Jotform, a confirmation message gets automatically delivered on WhatsApp to the person who placed this order. Yes guys, this can happen, and this can be done by connecting Jotform with WhatsApp. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between Jotform and WhatsApp. So to connect these two applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming language to make this integration between Jotform and WhatsApp. So guys, first of all let me give you a real-time demo of how this connection between Jotform and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my Jotform account, and here I have created this form, restaurant order form, to take the orders for my restaurant, and this is the WhatsApp account of one of my customer. Alright, so what I'm going to show you is that I'll fill this form and make an order to my restaurant, and we will see if the confirmation message is received in the WhatsApp account of our customer or not. Alright, so I'm opening this form. So this is my order food now form. So here I have the menu, so I'm selecting this cream of wild mushroom. The quantity will be 2, and I'm selecting the Caesar salad also. Quantity will be 1 only, and you can select this. I am selecting the burger. Quantity will be 1, and I also want I don't want this. I want French fries also. So I'm selecting 2 French fries. You can select the lemonade, the drinks. I'm selecting this iced tea. Quantity will be 2. And in the dessert, I want this Dutch apple pie. Alright, so I'm selecting this, and the quantity will be 3. So this is the total amount we have. Now I'm filling the details of the customer as this Adil, and this is the email ID and the phone number with the area code or country code. I'm selecting this, and I'm requesting for a delivery, so I have to enter the delivery address, the details of the delivery, and I am placing the order now. Alright, as you can see, our order is placed successfully. Now we will see in the WhatsApp account if we receive something. So guys, as you can see, we have received this message, and the message is like this: order confirmed. Hello Adil Khan, thank you for shopping with us. Your order of cream of wild mushroom, this salad, this hamburger, and all other things that we have ordered is confirmed. We'll deliver a package by this time. Alright, it is showing the time of delivery and the date of delivery also. So this is the kind of message our customer will receive when they order here from the Jotform. Alright, so guys, now you are wondering how I managed to bring this data from my Jotform by filling this form here to the WhatsApp account of our customer. Alright, So guys, let me show you the steps by which you can also make this integration between your Jotform and your WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between Jotform and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Jotform to Pabbly Connect with the help of a webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and we will connect our Jotform to Pabbly Connect. Step 2, collect the data from Jotform in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from our Jotform in Pabbly Connect. Alright. And step 3 is send the same data to 𝗏𝗏 for sending messages from WhatsApp. So in the third step, we'll send the collected data from Pabbly Connect to WhatsApp through an application called as 𝗏𝗏. So I'll tell you what 𝗏𝗏 is later on. First of all, let's switch to our first step and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, you have to open your browser first and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So guys, this is the landing page of pabbly.com. From here, come to this products and click on this connect. Alright, so guys, this is the Pabbly Connect, and from here you have to set up your account, or you can sign up for free in just 2 minutes by clicking this sign up for free button, which I have already done, so I'm clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, this all apps section of Pabbly will open up. From here, come to this connect panel and click on access now. After this, the dashboard of Pabbly Connect will open up. It will look like this. From here, you have to create a workflow to start working. So just click on this create workflow button. And from here, you have to enter the name of your workflow. So you can enter anything. I am entering the name as Jotform orders to WhatsApp messages. Alright, now I'm clicking on create. So as a workflow get created, you will find these 2 things first, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these 2 things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be a new Jotform order and the action would be a new WhatsApp message to our customer. So first of all, click on this trigger option, and from the choose app, choose your application as Jotform. This is Jotform. Alright, after this it will ask for the trigger event, so select your event as new response. After this, it will generate this URL. So this is called a webhook URL. So you have to copy this webhook URL from here and you have to paste it in your Jotform account. So just copy this like this and go to your Jotforms, and in this form you have to open the form settings. So you'll find the form settings from this settings option. And after this, you will find these options in the form settings. So you have to click on this integrations option. So when you click on integrations, you will find this webhooks option here. So click on this webhooks option. Now it is showing the integration is up and running. That means we have already pasted a webhook here. You can add one more webhook by clicking on edit integration, or let us just remove the previous integrations and search for the webhooks option from here. So this is the webhooks option, and here in the add webhook option you can add the copied webhook. So this is the webhook URL which we have copied like this, and now we are going to enter this URL here. After this, click on this complete integration. Alright, now it is showing the integration is ready. That means we are connected our Jotform to Pabbly Connect. So our first step is over. Let's see what was our second step. So our second step is collect the data from Jotform in Pabbly Connect. So now we are going to bring the data from Jotform in Pabbly Connect. Let's do this. So guys, as you can see in Pabbly Connect, it is showing waiting for the webhook response. Alright, so we have to fill another form to get the data from Pabbly Connect, from Jotform to Pabbly Connect. So I'm opening my form by clicking here and open a new tab. So this is our form. So let's select, for now I'm selecting this chicken noodles. The quantity will be 2. And in the salad, now I'm selecting this Caesar salad. Quantity will be 2. And I also want an Italian grinder. Quantity 2. I don't want burgers, but I want this Atlantic salmon. So I'm selecting this. Quantity will be 1 only. And in the desserts, I want this Dutch apple pie. The quantity will be 2. And now I'm filling the name of, let's say, Honey Prasad. So this is our customer. This is the email ID with this number. And I'm requesting a delivery, so I am giving the address like this and the zip. And I'm placing the order now. I'm clicking on order now. Alright, so our submission has been received. Now let's switch back to Pabbly Connect and see if it is fetched something or not. So it is showing this type of data is captured by Pabbly Connect. So you can see the data that Pabbly had captured. So it is showing the product's ID, and this is the product name, the chicken noodle soup, the Caesar salad, and the quantity, the unit price, the currency. So these are the things which we have received. Now I forget to tell you this. You should remember this also. Before placing this order or capturing the response, you must toggle this simple response button to off, because we want to capture the data in another format. I'll tell you why we are doing this. So I have toggled this button, simple response button, to off, and now I'm recapturing the webhook response. So it is showing waiting for response again. So let me just fill this form again. So I won't waste your time. I fill this form quickly as possible. Let's order this. So guys, I have filled this form, and now I have gave the name of the customer as Ravi Singh. Now I'm just clicking on order now. Alright, so order is received or submitted. Now come back to our Pabbly, and we will see the response something like this. So now here you can see in this products option, it is showing all our products in this format like this. So it is showing in the data in the array format. So it has the product name with its currency, with its unit price, with its quantity in one line, then in another line the another product and all other information. So this is the array format. We need this array format. I'll tell you why. So our second step is also done. We have captured the data from our Jotform to Pabbly Connect. So let's jump to our next step. Now I want to show another thing, that in this data you will not find the date of the order. Alright, you can check, it is not showing the date of the order or time of the order. So to have the date and time to send to our customer the confirmation message, we need to have the date and time of the order. So to bring the date and time, you have to do one thing. You have to click on this plus button, and from this choose application, choose your application as date time formatter by Pabbly. So this is date time formatter, and in the action event you have to select this modify current date and click on connect. So after this you will find these fields. So you can select the format of the date. So I want the date and time as well. So the format of date and time is this. So select this. Alright, now select our time zone. So our time zone is Asia. So this is Asia, and in Asia we have to select the Indian time zone. So this is Asia Kolkata time zone. Select this Asia Kolkata, and the operation, this is add, but we do not want to add any date, any days. So just put the value as 0 here, because we do not want to add any day. We just want the date and time. Alright, so as I click on save and send test request, we will have this date and time. Alright, so it is showing this format, and this time is included in this date also. Now typically we will deliver to our customers the food in 30 minutes to 1 hour. Alright, so we have to mention this thing that we are going to deliver your food in from this time to 1 hour from this time. So we have to have the time of 1 hour plus from this time. So we have to bring the time of our delivery also. So to bring the time of our delivery, you have to click here on this action button, and you have to choose the application as date time formatter again. So this is date time formatter. Now you have to, in the action event, you have to select add or subtract time, because we want to add time. So click on connect, and here we will enter the or map the date which we have here like this. So just click on this here, and from this date time formatter, when you click this, you will find this date which we have bring in this tab. Alright, so when you click this and just map this, so the date is entered. Now in the expressions, we want to add 1 hour to this time. Alright, so we want to deliver from 1 hour to this time to our customer. So we have to enter this expression like this in this format. Alright, so just copy this format from here. This is the format. Paste it here like this, and in the plus 8 hours, just make it as 1 hour, and here make it 0 minutes. Alright, now it is asking for two formats. So if you want to convert this time format into something simpler, you can also do this. So let's make this in the simple format. So simple format with time is this, you can select this format. Alright, so this is simple format, and it is also showing the time. Select this, and our previous format was this format. Alright, so you have to select this from format. So from format is the format in which we have this T letter. You can see which we have this T letter added in this format. So select this from here, from format, which format has the T letter. This format has the T letter. Select this. Now click on save and send test request, and you will see that our time is converted something like this. Alright, so it is showing the time is 13:37. That means from 12:37 we have added 1 hour. So we are going to send this date and time to our customer, that we are going to deliver your food by this time. Alright, so that's why we have bring this time like this. Now you have to click here on the plus button, and I'll show you another function by Pabbly, that is data transformer. Alright, from the choose app, I am selecting this data transformer by Pabbly, and in the action event I am going to select this line itemizer. So you guys are wondering why I am doing this. Actually we are doing this because we have the data, as you can see in this first step, we bring this data in the array format. I have shown you. Here it is, you can see the data is in this format. Now, why I fetched this type of data? Because we want to segregate this data into the format in which we have all the products in one line, all the quantities in one line, and all the prices is in one line. So we are using the line itemizer to bring this data into line format. And why we are doing this? Because it will be easier for us to send that data to our customer in a message properly. So I am bringing this line itemizer before you. And in the choose app, we have selected the data transformer, and in the action event, I am selecting this line itemizer like this. Now click on connect. And in the line items array, when you click here, you will find this Jotform response. And when you click here, you will find the data of array, which we have in the second step. This is it. Select this. So it collected our data like this, and when you click on save and send test request, it will convert this data something like this. So we have the product name, all the products we have in one line. You can see these are all the products in one line. This is the unit prices in one line. This is the currency, this is the quantity, and this is the total. So now it is easier to map this data to send to our customer. All right. Now what we are going to do is to apply our last step. So let me show you what was our last step. So guys, our last step was to send the same data to 𝗪𝗕 for sending messages from WhatsApp. Now the data that we have segregated from our Pabbly Connect, we are going to send to WhatsApp through this 𝗪𝗕. So now I'll tell you what 𝗪𝗕 is and execute our third step. So guys, now you have to click on this plus button, and from the choose app you have to choose the application as WATI, that is 𝗪𝗕. This is it. So guys, now you are wondering why we are using this application. So guys, 𝗪𝗕 is the third-party API application for sending messages to WhatsApp. Actually, the thing is, WhatsApp does not allow direct access to its chat API to everyone, or it provides very limited access to only few big companies to its chat API. So we are using 𝗪𝗕 because 𝗪𝗕 has the access to WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we are going to send the message to WhatsApp. All right. So now in the action event, you have to select this send template message and click on connect. So after this, from here, you have to select this add new connection, and these two things will open up. It will ask for the API endpoint and the access token. So you have to bring these two things by clicking on 𝗪𝗕's dashboard and find this API docs. All right, so let me bring you to my 𝗪𝗕's dashboard. So this is my 𝗪𝗕 account. You can also set up your 𝗪𝗕 account, and if you want to know how to set up your 𝗪𝗕 account, you can check our description box. Here we have pasted the link of the video in which we have explained how to set up your 𝗪𝗕 account. Alright, so you guys check it. And for now, you have to click on this icon beside this broadcast button. Click this icon and you will find this API docs option here. Click on this API docs and you will find this access token and API endpoint. You just have to copy this from here and paste it here like this, and then again copy this access token and paste it here like this. Alright, so we are done pasting the endpoint and the access token. So just click on save and it is showing connected. That means we are now connected to our 𝗪𝗕 account. After this, these fields will open up. The first field is the WhatsApp number. So here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the customer that you have in your Pabbly Connect data. Alright, so when you click here, you will find this option, Jotform new response, and here you will find all the data that we have already received in the second step here. So this is the data we have received, and this is the WhatsApp number of our customer. So you can find this number here also. When you click here on this Jotform new response option, you will find the phone number of our customer. So this is the country code. Select this country code also, and then map the number also. This is the number. All right. After this, it will ask for the template. So guys, you might wonder what this template is. Let me show you. So to send messages on WhatsApp, you have to create the templates on 𝗏𝗏. Alright, so these are the templates we have. So what are these templates? Let me show you one. So templates are the predefined message structures which we want to send to our customers and to anyone. So we have to make this template messages beforehand in our 𝗏𝗏 account and get these messages approved by WhatsApp parent company, that is Facebook. So you can create the messages, template messages from here by clicking this add new template message button, and you can create the template name, the category, which is this alert, update or appointment or whatever. You can have the body of this message here. You can enter the header, language and all other details. And when you click here on and save, you can save this template message as draft. And when you click here on submit template, it will get submitted, and it will take 30 minutes to 2 days to get your template approved. Typically it took only few hours to get the templates approved. So you can also make this templates. So the template we are using today is the order confirmation template that we have. So this is the order confirmation alert template. This is the template we are going to use. Here we have this type of body. All right. And in this message structure or template, you can see we have the name in double curly braces. We have the company name in double curly braces, and also we have something. Alright, we have the product name also in double curly braces and the delivery date also. So why we have put these double curly braces? Because these are the things which are going to change with every message, because the customer will be different with each message. So these are the variable parameters which we have in our message template, which are going to change dynamically with every new message. So we have put these double curly braces here, and we are going to map the values of these variable parameters in our Pabbly Connect. So I'll show you. In Pabbly Connect, first of all, select your template which you are going to use. So our template is order confirmation. This is order confirmation alert. I'm selecting this template. In the broadcast name, you can enter the name of your customer only. So our customer name is, you can find it from this Jotform response. This is Ravi. And now in the custom parameters option, you have to enter the value or map the value of the variables we have in our template. So we have one variable, 2, 3, so 4. We have 4 variable parameters. So we are going to map the value of these 4 parameters from Pabbly Connect. So you have to enter the value and map the value in this format only. So this is the given format. Just copy this format here like this and paste it here like this. So we have 4 parameters, so I am going to paste it for 4 times like this. Alright, now it is showing this name variable, so I have to put the value of first variable. So let us see what is the name of our first variable. So the name of our first variable is name only. So just copy this and enter the name of name variable in Pabbly Connect. So the name of the name variable is name, and the value of name variable, you will find it from this Jotform new response. So actually you have to enter the name of your customer here, which you can find here like this. Alright, so you can also enter the full name like this. So first name is this, last name is this. Alright, so we have entered the value of the name. So what is the name of our second parameter? Let's see in the template. So name of second parameter is product name. Alright, so copy this as it is and paste it here in this like this, and then you have to enter the value of this variable parameter. So the value of product name is, we can find in this line itemizer. Alright, so this is why we have bought the line itemizer, because we want to enter the product's name in one line only. So now it is in one line, so just you can map this easily like this. Alright, so this is the use of line itemizer here. Now in the next option we have to enter the name of our other variable parameter. So what is the name of our other variable? Let's see in the template. It is the delivery date. So copy this as it is like this. Enter it here and then map the value of the delivery date. Now you will find the delivery date from our date time formatter, in which we have extracted this delivery date in this format. Alright, so we have entered the delivery date. Let's see what is our next parameter variable. So next is, alright, so we have next company name. So just copy this company name and paste it here like this, and in the value you have to enter the value. If you can find the company name from Jotform response, you can map. So we do not have actually company name, we have this restaurant order form only. So you can manually put the value of the company name as, let's say, new restaurant or whatever the name of your restaurant is, you can put it like this. Alright, or if you have the name of your restaurant in the Jotform, you can map the Jotform response also. So we do not have entered the name, so I'm entering this manually as the new restaurant name. Alright, so we are done mapping the custom parameters also. So when I click here on save and send test request, the 𝗪𝗕 will send this data to the WhatsApp account of our customer. So when I click here, you will see it is showing this response. Let's check in the WhatsApp if we receive something. Alright guys, it is showing a new message in WhatsApp, and here you can see order confirmed, hello 𝗪𝗆 𝗍𝗯. So this is the customer we have in our Jotform, and in Pabbly Connect you can see it is the same customer 𝗪𝗆 𝗍𝗯, and the products names are this cream of wild mushroom. Let's see if we have the same thing. Yes, we have the same thing. We have the same date format, and we have the same I have filled this new restaurant only in the name of the company, so it is showing new restaurant only. So this is how it is going to work, guys, and let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger option, we selected that application as Jotform. We connected the Jotform with the help of webhook URL and bring the data like this. And we have bring the data in the form of array that I have told you by toggling this response button to off. Then we collected the date because we didn't have the date in this response. So we collected today's date by this date time formatter like this. Then we have added the 1 hour more to this date and time to send it to our customer. So we have selected the date time formatter again and add subtract time, and we have added this expression plus 1 hour 0 minutes, and we got this time, this type of format of date and time. After this, we'll bring this data transformer by Pabbly and select this line itemizer to segregate the data in this line format, Why we have segregated this, I have told you, because in 𝗏 it will be useful to map this data like this, all right, in one line only. So we have created this template message from here, and as and when I click on this save and send test request, it sends this data to the customer. So guys, this is how it is going to be done. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration from Pabbly Connect, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries from this forum link and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can also make many different type of integrations with many different types of software through this and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.